Today I'm going to show you how to change the element on the Balboa Revolution BP1500. This is the BP1500 Revolution with just the element. It's not the spa pack, it's just the element. Here we have one power cord coming out, and we have a dual sensor right here. Power cord goes in a spa pack. And on the end, we got the two sensors. I'm going to show you how to take it apart and change the element. We're going to take the top off. It has two screws on either end, two on this side, two on the other side. Top pops off like that. Undo the two sensors. There. Just so it's out of the way. Next, we're going to take off the leads for the element. Grab yourself a 1/4 inch. Might be a little different on yours, but there's a little nut underneath we got to get to. Take the bolt off. Same thing on the other side. Out of the way. Now next there's 8 bolts with a hex head. Take those off. We're going to take the ground off right there. Undo the bolts on the side here. There's one here and one here for the ground. So it's a slotted screwdriver. And it just pops up. Just pry it up like that all the way around. There we go. You have the element right there. Undo the two bolts a bit. You can either take, I just take them off all the way. They're really light, thin aluminum. And these should push down. There's a rubber O-ring in there. So inspect that. If it's still good, just grease it up, put it back. So we got that there. And here we got the new one. With the package, we have all new O-rings and everything. But everything looks good. So I'm going to save those. Just get to grease those up and put it back. Even the one that goes around looks pretty good, and it's pretty greasy as it is. So there's only one way it goes in. It's like that. Flip it over. Right there. Going around hole. So it goes in there. Make sure she's flush. Grease up your O-rings. Put those all the way back on. Both sides. Put the two bolts on, hold it down. And to tighten it, I just snug it up a bit. So just snug both sides. Take the O-ring. Again, I'll grease it up a bit. Bottom. Okay. All the way around. On either end where we pulled the ground out, what I would do is I'd just shoot some silicone right in the hole there. Just shoot a little bit in on both sides. I'm just gonna stick some in there. So what we're gonna do next is you're gonna make sure these two little clips that they're in there. They sit in the pins. There we go. Line it all up. Okay, make sure when you're pushing the pins in that this ground pin here, it's out so it can go through there. So there you go. And the same thing on the other side. There you go. Don't do up the grounds yet. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put in the 8 screws we took off all the way around. Put those in. And we want to snug those up. Screw down one over here and kind of go crossways. So that one, this one, that one over here, back and forth like that. If you have a socket set, maybe that'd be a little easier. Okay, tighten up your grounds. Tighten up that ground. And the leads. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing, a little wrench underneath. We don't want that element lead to twist at all. So you want to hold it. Snug. There we go. Keep the other one the same. There we go. Hook your sensors back up. There we go. They're only going one way. Come on now. What the heck? There we go. Put the top back on. So if everything doesn't go back like nice and tight now when you're putting everything all back together, then you have to redo it all. And that's how you change the element on the Balboa Revolution BP1500.